What's up, y'all? It's your girl Asian. I'm back with another video. I know it's been a long time, but I'm gonna be better, I promise. So today I'm just gonna be making some press-on nails. This is actually the first time I've done it, so I just wanted you guys to see kind of my process. They turned out really well in my opinion. So I'm using the Savvyland gel polish nude collection. And I think I got these off of Amazon. I've had them for a while. I can't really remember where I got them, but I will link it below if I can find where I got them from. So what I actually did was I swatched every single color. I think it was what is that, 9 colors, 8 colors, and then it also came with a matte top coat. So I just swatched each one for you, and I actually did put it under the UV light as well. So this is the actual color. And originally when I was making these, I was actually going to go with the second color. It was a nice nude pinkish color, but I wanted to do something different, and so I went for the lightest color, which is actually second to last. It's like a beige cream like color, and I'm glad I went with that because it's something I've never done. So you'll see me, I already sized all 10 nails, and I'm actually just going to do 5 on camera, well, the 1 on camera, and then I'll come back and show you guys what I have done. So as you can see, it's a really pretty color, light beige, and here's what it looks like in the bottle. So I put all of my full coverage tips on clay on these magnetic holders that I got off of Amazon. I will also link that in the description, even though this is not sponsored or anything, but I'm not stingy with my information. The only downside I had with these that I got is that the clay that comes in the pack, it's not the most sticky. It's not very durable, so sometimes I'll be filing and my nail will pop off of the clay mold, and so that's pretty annoying. But then again, I guess you don't want it to be too sticky to where you can't get it off. So I don't know, let me know if you have any experience with press-ons, making press-ons, or using the clay to stick nails. Alright, so to prep the nail, I need to remove the shine. So I'm taking out my electric file, and it has a sanding band. I believe it's a medium grit sanding band, and then I'll just run over the nail with that, remove the shine, and then apply a protein bond before I do the polish. So here's what it's looking like after I've removed all of the shine. We don't want any shine because the product won't adhere to the nail if there's anything shiny. And then I'm gonna take some Swipe. It's from the brand Young Nails. I'll link it below. I'll link their website below. I basically get everything from them. What this does is it removes all of that dust from the filing that I just did. And then also you'll see me fanning it because it basically dehydrates the nail, prepping it for any application. So I do that before everything, even on natural nails. And then you see me taking some protein bond, which is also from the brand Young Nails. I take that and go through the whole nail. That's so the product that I'm using can actually stick to the nail. I would do that if I was applying acrylics, anything like that. So I love this stuff. Like I said, Young Nails, I get everything from there, and I'll link their website in the description. And no, this is not sponsored. Alright, so with the nail polish, I am going to go through and do 2 coats of polish before I do my top coat. There is no rule about which way to apply your nail polish. Because this isn't an actual client, it's not an actual human being, I can go forward, I can go backwards, I can turn the nail around, and I have that 360 coverage that I can get. So do not be afraid to turn it around. It's not going to mess anything up as long as you cover the whole nail. And it's actually better to turn it around and start painting the other direction, just because sometimes you'll get a lip and you'll start painting underneath the nail. So you'll see me sometimes turn it around for that reason. I'm just making sure I have full coverage. And then I'm going to take this and put it in my UV light for 30 seconds. And that's after every single coat. Like I said, I did 2 coats and then a top coat, 30 seconds after every coat. Okay, so now it's time for my top coat. I'm using a matte top coat. I don't think that's how you spell that, but anyways, it basically applies like a clear coat, except when it goes under the UV light, it dries like foggy, if that makes sense. Yeah, so I love this stuff. It's so pretty. So remember the shiny look, and then when I take it out of the light, you'll see the difference. It's so pretty. I love this stuff. All right, so this is the finished matte look. I love this color. It's nice and light and nude. I love nudes. I went through off camera and did all 10 of the press-on nails. Like I said, I sized before, I sized off camera. And then in this next clip, I'm gonna do a design on my ring finger. So with the press-on designs, basically you have to do it with nail polish, and I didn't have any nail polish in the color that I wanted. So what I did here was I took some of my slick pour or acrylic powder and I brushed my my press-on sticker with my powder that I want my design to be. The color that I want my design to be, I brushed in that powder. And then you'll see me, I took whatever nail polish, it doesn't matter, and I applied it on my design plate. I swiped it, and then I pressed it with that powdered side. And so whatever color the powder is will take over the nail polish. So it doesn't matter what nail polish you use. So I love that. This was actually my first time doing a press on, and it wasn't perfect, but I did like how it came out. It gave kind of a rustic look, and I did wear these nails. So I'll show you the finished product at the end. All right, guys, so this was the finished look. I went in and applied these press-on nails with nail glue that I got from the exact same website, Young Nails. And then here I'm just applying my cuticle oil. I loved these nails. I loved how long they were. I loved the matte look. I loved the design, even though it didn't come out perfect. I think it was a great run, especially for my first time. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.